Oh, I super love this question. Ano namin na-sustain yung aming freelancing business? Remember that freelancing is a business. You have to treat it as one. There's no other way para tumagal dito. Given na ang dami nagsasabi na walang stability ang freelancing or working from home. 5 tips that I can give sa mga aspiring freelancers yung ngayon pala magsisimula. Sana makatulong to sa journey ninyo. Speaking of journey, number 1. Document your journey. It doesn't matter if you're going to do it on YouTube. It doesn't matter if you're just going to write it sa book. Document your journey because gusto mong balikan yung moment na nagsimula ka. So everything from mga pagkakamali mo, kung mga wins mo, i-document mo siya. Number 2, learn from your mistakes. Halimbawa, meron kang isang client. Huwag na tayong lumayo. Ako to, na-delete ko talaga yung file. Napaka-importanting file nila. And hindi na namin makita. It's probably my ADHD. Dinelete ko rin yung laman ng trash. I don't really know. I really can't remember. But learn from your mistake. Tip number 3, learn and earn. So even if kumikita ka na, kahit feeling mo malaki na yung kinikita mo, mag-aral ka pa rin ng bagong skill. Huwag kang tumambay sa comfort zone unless gusto mo talaga yan. Tip number 4, huwag ka makinig sa sasabihin ng ibang tao. Lalo na sa decision making ng iyong negosyo. Pwede kang humingi ng payo doon sa mga alam mong may resulta na talaga. But other than that, yung iba kasi background noise na lang yun. Tip number 5, stay true to yourself and stay honest. Teka, may nalimutan akong tip. Maging maayos kang tao. Ang dami ko nakikita ngayon na masyadong maasbok, arrogante, entitled. Dahil nga sa social media kasi you have the freedom of speech daw, ganyan. And because of that freedom of speech, parang ang daming tao ngayon na entitled at arrogante na yung bagsakan na feeling nila alam na nilang lahat. No. Hindi ka matututo ng isang bagong bagay unless you acknowledge the fact na hindi ka pa perfect at meron ka pang areas for improvement. So going back dun sa tip ko kanina, look for a mentor who already have the results that you are looking for. Learn from them. But at some point, you're going to outgrow your mentor and you have to find somebody na meron namang panibagong results, panibagong goals na hinahanap mo. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!